At the Duchess Park Apartments, our first port of call is interior decorator Mercy, who breaks with tradition to transform a completely grey area into an amazing stunner. Casera was invited by Mercy to follow her 3-week revamp of this totally unrecognizable layout. Her end goal? An apartment that would feel like a 5-star hotel suite worthy of its surrounds.
So what do you have to do in this space?
Basically, I have to choose the lights, the ceiling light, the downlighters. I'll put some downlighters around, and then some wall fixtures, like some brackets, like that. Yes, that is why we've covered all this space with some black polythene to avoid scratches on the...
Yeah, to protect the tiles. That's nice. I can see the quality of tile is quite nice.
Yes.
I really can't wait to see the finished product in this. Do you sort of have an idea of what you want to do?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
It's a modern, uptown kind of an apartment, really high-end.
Okay. Yes. I'm really looking forward to it. And you say 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
I'll hold you to that. So in 3 weeks' time, I'll be back here and I need to be wowed.
This is about making an ugly duckling pop. Will it become a beautiful swan? A first glimpse at this apartment reveals a unique decorating element. Mercy began her decorating concept by going for a wide selection of what Mother Nature has in stock. The theme, from natural paintings to iridescent lighting, extends to the excellent draping. The symmetry of the layout is integral to the living room. It is a restrained and elegant use of geometric design.
I mean, the reds, the way you played around with the reds and the maroons and match that with the... Oh, I love it. I love it. Why did you choose red?
I wanted to pop up color.
Yeah.
This room is a living room. Of course, it's a lounge. People come in and talk. Orange is more of a social color. It opens up conversations.
Yeah.
You see, you came in and you're like, wow.
Yeah.
Conversations.
Blown away. Yeah.
What?
Flushed with the attentions of this fantastic piece of art, which turned out to be Mercy's trademark, Casera was completely bowled over by the uncluttered and wonderfully relaxed living room. Mercy revamped the kitchen in granite mosaic, giving it a serene and cluttered look using natural colors.
Let me show you the kitchen. This way.
Oh, I can't wait to see this. It's
Ta-da!
so beautiful and bright. Ah, yes.
We can have a party right now.
Yes,
you know?
I know.
There's a little bit of pop of orange. You can see on the painting, on the flowers.
This is really nice. I mean, I really love how everything ties in together, you know?
There is consistency.
And what about the lighting? I really like the pendant light you have going on over there. Thank you, my dear.
Yes.
Before.
Again, if you've noticed, it has married with my hob, the cooker, and the chrome tops.
Yeah.
Yes, it's all in. It's just flowed.
Keeping with the theme.
Yes, yes.
So I know for this it took you about 3 weeks.
Yes.
But what's the general time frame you take to sort of from the time you're given the blank canvas, that is the space, to when you deliver the finished project?
Okay.
Yeah.
It depends on what my client's time frame is. There's some who want it like in a month, but this particular client wanted it in 3 weeks. And I had identified everything that I was putting into the room, so it was easy for me because he let me use color.
In the master bedroom, laying fabric in deep red and oatmeal was commissioned for the drapes and bed hangings, giving it a warm and modern look. There is a constant theme throughout. A lack of clutter defines Mercy's work, whether in hard furnishings or soft. This is exactly how a bedroom should feel, luxurious and warm at the same time.
When you look at such a space as a blank canvas, as what we saw 3 weeks ago, what's your starting point?
I normally have this mental journey. The client gives me a mental perspective of the place. Then I go and work it out and bring it back to life. Like it's blank, it's all white. Then now I go and sit down with the client. I normally have this pin board. You get like his favorite things, like maybe a shoe, a handbag, something that is really nice. And I ask him to put some color into it. And those who don't like color, but I tell them, do not be afraid of color. Color is good.
I know.
You will have no problem drifting off in this blue-themed dreamy bedroom, which, as we found out, is Mercy's most favorite space in the apartment. It is worth noting that the paintings in this apartment are affordable and have certainly succeeded in giving the decor theme a unique fingerprint, as is illustrated at the end of the hallway, where this amazing portrait creates depth, giving an illusion of an endless hallway.
So I wanted something that would go on and on and on. That is why I chose that painting, because it's really a really long hallway.
Yeah.
So that would add some pop into it.
While having more money might seem like a one-way ticket to all the happiness you could handle, comfort comes in all sizes and is expressed best in a home that combines great function with dazzling form, no matter how big or small. This sleek and minimalist apartment still speaks to comfort, but it does so in a whisper. A comfortable apartment can be the easiest way to marry the desire for decadence with the need for a central urban location.